CNC Plasma Operators. Yeah, g'day mate. So I've another client in Western Australia looking for CNC Plasma Operators. Now, the machinery and the software that they've got is Kinectic. They mainly deal with mild steel, and they're looking for people that can set up programs and run the CNC machines. So if you have this type of experience, fill out the link below. The client's offering the 482 sponsored working visa with a pathway to permanent residency. Now note that some nationalities may need a skills assessment for this visa, some may not. Some nationalities may need an English exam scorecard, some may not. Either ways, if you've got the experience, fill out the link and I'll let you know if I can or can't assist you, or I'll teach you the visa requirements for future roles. Have a good day, mate.